Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make Zaatar bread. First, gather your ingredients like flour, yeast, and the aromatic Zaatar spice. Next, you'll prepare the dough, ensuring it's well kneaded and smooth. After that, allow the dough to rise in a warm spot, which usually takes about 1 hour. Finally, you'll shape the dough into small, flat rounds, ready for the oven. Let's get started on the dough. Begin by combining 2 cups of warm water with 1 tablespoon of active dry yeast in a large bowl. Once it's foamy, add 4 cups of all-purpose flour and 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix until a shaggy dough forms, then knead it for 8 to 10 minutes until it becomes smooth and elastic. Place the dough in an oiled bowl, cover it, and let it rise. Now that your dough has risen, it's time to shape it and add the delicious Zaatar topping. Gently punch down the dough and divide it into 8 equal portions. Roll each portion into a flat circle, approximately 6 inches wide. In a separate small bowl, mix 1/2 cup of Zaatar spice with 1/4 cup of olive oil. Spread this aromatic mixture evenly over each dough circle, leaving a small border. The final step is baking your Zaatar bread to perfection. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius. Carefully transfer the topped dough circles onto a baking sheet. Bake them for 10 to 12 minutes, or until the edges are golden brown and the bread is slightly puffed. Once baked, remove them from the oven and serve your warm, fragrant Zaatar bread immediately. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.